Hey guys, this time we've decided to do a trail that goes from Jardim do Mar to Prazeres and then come down to Pool do Mar. We will not do all of it because we have to respect the time from the curfew that we have here, so we will see how much we can do in our time period. Let's do this. Before I started this walk, I have the hiccups. How did I get the hiccups? This is so annoying. Oh, I think they are over. Nice. See, the hiccups aren't over. I just thought they were. I'm talking about my hiccups. They are gone. I'm not talking about my hiccups anymore. Oh, look at him. Bye, friend. What is to happen here? We will walk on this somewhat looking like a jungle to see to where we can go and, you know, just check it. And then hiccups. We are between 400 and 500 meters in altitude. It just gets better and better. Look at that. There's the house. Look at that beautiful house. Amazing, right? I think I can show you Jardim do Mar. We did already most of the climbing, so we are about the 500 meters in altitude. We are going on this direction, hey baby, and then we are going all around this mountain, all this way. Then there is a trail there that leads us to Pool do Mar. Pool do Mar is that little coast over here that you can see here. Let's say the worst part is done, and after that is always go a little more straight and then is going down. Woohoo.
Sneeze.
Boop, boop. There was a lot of weeds on the way, and Sirius is so dirty. Poor guy. I'm gonna clean you when you get home. No worries. Can you believe that we came from over here? Damn, we have so much to do still. But we are almost coming to the trail to go down to Pool do Mar. At least it's going down, like I said before. Serious? I must lay down. Yes, I must lay down. He did! I already finished the hike and I'm tired. I just want to go home and sleep a little. You can always leave on the comment section down below which hike you want me to do on next. By the way, there's a button down there that you can always press while commenting on my video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that so you can see the upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!